back again. Yeah, but I'm back again. Why? Fun, I'm back again. Yeah, what up? Some think that fighting is wrong. If fighting was wrong, I wouldn't be right here right now writing this song. What's good? Come on, I got a new topic to touch on. It's like another one of those street joints. It's like a love song. Look, mom, I'm good, I'm in no harm. Your baby boy is clapping cause he got his daddy's charm. I got the ladies all unraveled like a spool of yarn, and I'm naturally milking it like grandpa's farm. I'm amazed with the heat, got MC's days with defeat. A rapper slash actor, come on, yo, I made the beat. Foot form, cuffer, I'll save you the bleed. I got my forearm done up by me, Chance and Keith. Yep, I rip up my chew, nothing but tongue in cheek. My words hurt nerds, I crave to get served to my own beat. I'll refreak the vocals till they're nice and brisky. I can already taste the freedom, so just cut me the check, please. What you get from me, what you take from me, what you need from me, who you talking to, what you want from me, what you need from me, what you get from me, who you talking to, what you need from me, what you take from me, what you steal from me, who you talking to, what you get from me, what you start from me, what you want from me, who you talking to. Constant composition, static friction got me twitching. The way I roll these words out my tongue got you tripping. Foot form, yep, caught you slipping. Rebellious word lord, sucker, what, but flipping. Mom, it's on with the song, guess you heard my wishes. You can tell I'm still hungry cause my style's so vicious. They say they take a bite out of what, yo, I ate from crime. I feel hate sometimes, so I blast back with hateful rhymes. Who you talking to, yo, I scraped through time. Sold my tape for dimes and donated some plasma pints. But at the same time, if you really ask me to sign, I'd say no, I'm still independent, but I might sometime take you up on the offer if she's polite and can act proper. Then again, I might just cop her a CD, yep, a freebie. Innocent child that saw me pop off so easy. Can't help freaking the flow so easy, dog, believe me. What you get from me, what you take from me, what you